What's up, y'all? I wanted to do a short little video today about one of the tricks that I use to quickly get more interesting rhythms for the melodic elements in my tracks. So this is what we're going to end up with.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart headaches to my core. I hide that under my tongue. It won't be said it for fun. I wanna fight with my lungs, but hide a pain from my eyes. You're so sick to my soul.
So what I have here is a break-into vocal.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
Right, and it's synced to the tempo of the track and kind of like lined up there. And so then the first thing that I did here was just take a random hat sample and just picked out the spots by feeling, right? Just kind of feeling it out. So I got my first bar here just by like putting in notes, right?
I can't take it.
Right?
I can't take it anymore.
And that one feels like it should be there. So that I kind of get my first bar there, right? Just lining it up with what feels right. And then I can take that and usually duplicate it over. So I've copied it and pasted it into my second bar.
But boys more fake than before.
Right, so that second half doesn't feel exactly right to me, so I'd say probably one there.
But boys more fake than before.
Yeah, and that feels a lot better. So then I take that and I end up with my full little section. So then the next thing that I'll do is take that, solo out my hats, and render by clicking there, disrecord, render to wave. And you can take that audio clip and just drag it right into your piano roll. And then you kind of have these markings for where you felt like there should be some kind of rhythm to this. So now I've just kind of gone in here and painted a melody. And of course, one thing that I want to note is this is just a guide. So like whatever feels right to you, right? Like I have a note here and then it bends up. It doesn't have to follow exactly what you've done, but it's just kind of a guide to like where might the next good note sit. The next tip that I'll say is it's good to play the vocal while you're setting this part, right? So do this.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
And then the last thing that I will say is to help even more, turn on your metronome, right?
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart head.
Right, so you're getting an idea of not just where your note should be at, but also where the bars start and end, because that kind of gets hidden a little bit by having these hats in here. So then from there, I'm just going to talk about the different ways that I'll set the hats out, right? So sometimes I do it just by feel, right? By placing them in the playlist where I feel like is right. Another way to do it that's useful, but it seems like it wouldn't be, is just do the simplest pattern that you can, right? So here.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart headaches to my core. I hide that under my tongue.
And just kind of accent, and you can even turn on the first rhythm that you have, so you're kind of doing counter rhythms here.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
And there's some overlap with where those hit, but I would say, whether it's evenly spaced, just like pretty frequent notes, or even if it's just like the same.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake.
The same pattern, equal spacing on each bar. That can be a good way to go.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
But just don't make it too complex. Get something super simple there. So then I did that same trick, just dragged it into the piano roll, and then just put notes again where all my things are at there. I kind of just put a random instrument here, and it's not probably going to sound that good, but this is what we ended up with.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart headaches to my core. I hide that under my tongue.
So then the third way that I end up using this a lot of the times is starting, it's kind of like a combination of these two, where it's starting with a super basic rhythm. So in this case, I have dotted quarter notes, right? So it's a quarter note would be that, and then I've added another little eighth note to that spacing. So
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
So I got that set up like that, and then I went in and added more of the same hat. I have 3 different hats here, so I kind of get a distinction in the rhythm if I'm playing all 3 of them at once, and just added new hats that kind of break up the spacing here.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before.
And I felt like these last ones could be silenced, right? So I've done my even spacing, added a couple more, silenced one, and ended up with that. Then, of course, you can play these with your other rhythms and just see, like, are the rhythmic elements going to work together?
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart.
So then I just did the same trick again where I dragged it into my piano roll. So this is what the melody that I ended up making sounds like.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart headaches to my core. I hide that under my tongue.
And I went even more liberal with like how I'm following this. So here I've just kind of had a starting note on a lot of these. And then when I got to this one, I was like, okay, well, I could do a C and then another note. And then I was like, well, let me bend up into it. And then once I had done that, I really felt that like bending all of them sounded cool. So again, like you don't have to exactly follow your rhythm. It's just a guide to help you. You don't have to listen to it. You really want to end up with what's best to your ear.
I can't take it anymore, but boys more fake than before. My heart headaches to my core. I hide that under my tongue. It won't be said it for fun. I wanna fuck up my lungs, but hide a breathe from my eyes. It's just so sick to my soul.